Ready to make a Lego? Let's check. So let's just start all over again. We're going to go New, Standard, and Create. So, what do Legos look like? If you don't know, go ahead and look it up on Google. But we're going to start with the 2D sketch. Please make sure, I've already seen people mess up on this, that it says 3D sketch, and then they get all these weird things, and then this shows up on the menu. Don't do it. Get rid of it. Please get out. Say finish sketch. Make sure you delete this. And make sure this does not say 3D sketch and change it. Go back, create 2D sketch. That's the world that we're dealing with. So, don't mess up. So we're always going to start with the XY plane. Click on that. Okay. Legos are usually square. So we're just going to go simple. We're going to just make a rectangle. And voila. Now I can change the sizes. So I want you to play with this now. Let's try to make this. We'll go with 2 inches. Just hit enter. Whoa. It blew up. Let's click front so we can zoom out. And let's go here. I'm still in the dimension button. So whatever's blue is the command that it's using. So and I'm going to click here. Drop that down. 3. Hey. Not bad. It kind of worked out for me this time. And I'm good. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and extrude this. So 3D, extrude, and whoa, let's try something a little bit more interesting. Let's go 1.5. Okay. And I want to go home so I can zoom out. Alright, so here's something that's going to be new. I want to draw on the face of this Lego because Legos have those little knobs that piece into each other. So, gonna just click on this face. Notice I do not have anything else highlighted. Nothing is blue up here. So I want to make sure. If anything's blue, escape. So, going to click on face, and I'm looking for create sketch. This will help me draw on the face of what I made in this big rectangle. So create sketch. Now I want to try these circles. Let's go for 4. Now I want these circles to look alike. So I'm just going to draw one. And here's something you can do. Copy. I'm going to pick this. That's the select part. I'm going to click base point. So there's always 2 steps. And my base point's going to be in the middle. Left click. And then I'm going to go there. There. And there. And I finish. If you want to make sure these are evenly spaced, you can try this. Dimension. And you can dimension from the middle of each circle or center of each circle. So I want to dimension between that one and that one. So I'm just clicking those centers. Notice how they turn blue when I clicked on them. I'm going to left click. let's say I want a nice number, 1.5. Enter, and it actually spaced out everything for me. So I want to do this again. Dimension's still blue, so I can still use it. I want to go from there to there. And I want nice, easy numbers, so I'm just going to go for 1. And that spaces it. Now I saw these two move. I'm not sure about these two, so I'm just going to go back and check. Keep dimensioning from there to there. Let's see. Nah, it didn't do it. So you always want to check, since we're doing this in the kind of the hard way, but we're doing it one little bit at a time. So I'm going to click there and there. 1.5. Okay. I see it. I don't need to click on it, so I'm just going to click Escape. And you probably can't tell, but I selected this also, and I can click Delete. I know that's there, and I can also double click and just move these out of the way. The dimensions won't do too much. So double click, move that out. And that'll remind me I did something cool. Okay. Yes. So let's go ahead and extrude these knobs. We're going to 3D model, extrude, and I'm going to do these all 4 at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can play with this arrow and kind of shrink them, or I can type a number. 0.125 is 1/8 of an inch. I'm cool with that. Okay. Alright, that's to get this started. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to turn this around and do the back side.